When you're using Pages, there might be a need, say for one of your English classes, you need to format your document a certain way. There's a settings area that you can go into, and that's going to look like the wrench here at the end. So I'm just going to tap on the wrench. And from here, I can do Find, which allows you to search a document. So if you have a large research paper, you can use Find, and it will help you locate a certain section of that paper, again, if you have multiple pages. You can do Change Tracking, which if you are sharing this document with others and everyone's making their own edits, you can see who made what edit at each time and choose to accept it or not. Document setup is what we're going to talk about in just a few seconds here, but there are a couple of other things here, such as settings, where you can do center guides, rulers, comments. Word count is extremely helpful, so I recommend having that one turned on. And notice how it tells you how many words down here in this area. You can tap Tools to go back. You can actually set a password on this document, so if you're sharing it with people that they can't get into it or they can't make certain changes, but they can view it, you can do that from there. If you have a printer at home that you'd like to print to, you could just hit Print, and this will give you some options there to do that. And again, you can hit the Help section, and this is where you'll pull up a very nice tutorial. And I'm just going to hit Done, but a lot of the things that I showed you also are available in there. So going back into the settings to do your document setup, and this is going to change my perspective here. From here, I could tap to edit my header, and I could also drag in boundaries on the side. So if you have to have 1-inch margins on your document, you can set that. And from here, I can also go up to, there's that context-specific paintbrush up there, so I can tap on that. And depending on what I've selected on my page, I can customize it, but I have a blank page here, so there's nothing for me to adjust. But if I go in under here, under my header, now I could tap on my header, and it'll give me my text options available. So I also have the ability from here to hit the plus sign, and I can actually add things into the background, almost like a watermark type of thing, right here from this area. When you're finished with your settings, just tap Done, and it'll return you back to your regular page.